I would like to give an example of how I test code while I'm working. And to me, the most vulnerable point of a React Redux application is the data flow in the reducers. And because they can get pretty large, and I think it's important to make sure of two things when writing reducers. First of which is to make sure that data is not being mutated, and second of all, that the reducers are pure. So I use basically what I will do is I will have a window open on JS bin, and I will write a little test for my reducers. In this example, I have a little reducer that adds a new post to current posts, and I'll begin with writing a test using deep freeze to make sure of no unexpected data mutations, and expect to check whether my reducers return a deeply equal result to something that I set as an object that I pass to my reducer, and to make sure that the reducer returns the exact same object. So what I will do is I will write a function that I will test, declaring the state before, which is just an empty array, because what I want is an array with posts in them, and each post will be an object. I declare a post which will resemble the post that I will be sending through to my reducer from a form on my application, and I'll define the action that will be dispatched, and a state after, which will declare what I want the array to look like once the action has been dispatched. So basically I just check compare state before and post to see if there's any mutability going on, which I don't want, and call the function using expect to check if the result is deeply equal to the predicate, and hopefully the test will pass. Otherwise, I will manipulate the way that I write my return statements in order for all the tests to pass. And so that's how I write my reducers, and it helped me a lot as I started working with Redux. It was very easy to mutate data and use some JavaScript methods that didn't help very much with that.